This is the world's most beautiful Linux desktop of 2026. This isn't GNOME, it's not Plasma, and it's definitely not Windows. This is Arch Linux, powered by Hyprland, running the brand new shell called AMBXST. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to install AMBXST on Arch, the essential dependencies you need, and how to customize it to fit your workflow. Thanks to developer, the installation process is fully automated. First, make sure you have a fresh installation of Arch Linux with the base Hyprland setup along with the GPU drivers installed on your system. You can use the Arch install script to set up Arch with Hyprland quickly. You will also need to install some essential fonts. In my case, I have already installed Arch Linux with a minimal Hyprland alongside Windows 11 on the same drive. Once your installation is complete, reboot your system. Next, I will go ahead and log in using my credentials. From the Login Manager, select Hyprland and sign in. You can skip the welcome screen and don't worry about any warnings at the top, we will fix that shortly. Go ahead and press Super+Q to open the terminal. The first thing to do after installing Arch is to connect to the internet. I will use the nmtui command to connect to my Wi-Fi network. Once connected, I will run a ping command to verify the connection. You can see that packets are being received. Then run this command to update your system. It's recommended to install the essential dependencies using pacman to ensure AMBXST runs very smoothly. Just go ahead and run this command to install git, wget, and other required packages. Once it's done, you are ready to set up the AMBXST on top of Hyprland. You can visit the official website using this link in the description to learn more about the setup. Next, go ahead and run the installation command and press enter to begin setting up AMBXST. Now sit back and wait while the script is running in the background. You may be asked to enter your password a few times during the installation. Once it's complete, run the configuration command for Hyprland with AMBXST. You might see an error at the top. That's normal. This is because AMBXST Hyprland config file hasn't been generated. Then reboot your system to apply the changes. After logging back, open terminal using Super+Q. And run the AMBXST update twice. This will generate the AMBXST Hyprland config file in this location. Next, we need to source this file into default Hyprland config. Now first, rename the existing Hyprland config file. Then create a brand new config in the same location and add the source line pointing to the AMBXST config. Then go ahead and save the file using Ctrl+S and exit with Ctrl+X. And lastly, run AMBXST reload and press enter. And that's it, AMBXST is now up and running. For best results, reboot your system once more to ensure all settings are applied correctly. Then from the Login Manager, select Hyprland from the Session menu, then enter your password and press Enter to login. This is the AMBXST user interface and it looks absolutely next level. Now tapping at the top center of the screen opens the System Control panel. It's divided into 3 sections: Dashboard, Wallpapers, and System Metrics. The dashboard shows the time, date, media player, notifications, and system information. You will also find quick toggles for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, night shift, and more, along with controls for brightness and volume. The Wallpaper section lets you change wallpapers, enable dark mode, adjust color schemes, and much more. The system metrics displays real-time CPU, GPU, and RAM usage. And lastly, there is a button that shows detailed weather information. One of the most unique features of AMBXST compared to other shells is that the built-in presets. Now simply click this button to choose a preset. For example, if you want a Celestia look, you can select here. Likewise, you can switch between different presets to change the appearance of your desktop. This is easily one of the best features. It makes customization fast and effortless. My favorites are Dots Quiet and Liquid Glass, both of which look fantastic. Now let's open System Settings and configure AMBXST further. Now from here, you can fine-tune your system. Now let's start with General Theme Settings. You can also add your wallpaper directory. For now, I'm going to add this path where I have cloned some wallpapers from this GitHub link. To quit any window, press Super+C. Then press Super+comma to open the Wallpapers tab and select your fancy wallpaper. Then inside Settings, go to Binds to view all default key bindings. For example, pressing Super+T opens Tmux, and Super+Tab to switch between workspaces. Now let's create custom key bindings. Just go ahead and click this plus button, then choose an action and add a key binding. For example, to open terminal, I will assign Super+Q, then set the action type to Run Command and enter key, then save it. Likewise, I will create shortcuts for the browser and file manager. Now pressing Super plus Q opens terminal, Super plus B opens browser, and Super plus E opens the file manager. You can explore more settings later to customize the top bar, notch, and much more. AMBXST also supports offline AI chat. You can integrate with Ollama and other API providers. Inside Settings, go to AI section and enable Ollama. Now open a brand new workspace with Super plus tab, then press Super plus A to launch the AI panel. You will see a list of available models. Just select one and start prompting. The best part is that it works completely offline and doesn't require an internet connection. Now pressing the super key or tapping this icon opens the AMBXST application launcher where you can see all your installed applications. Now let's take a look at the top bar. On the left, you have the app launcher icon followed by the workspace switcher to move between different workspaces. The layout menu, weather information, and power controls. And that's pretty much it. Arch Linux with AMBXST takes the Hyprland experience to the next level with a clean, fast, and visually stunning user interface. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Now check the GitHub link in the description to get started. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.